Finally, we have a new design in color. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro comes with a flat and curved front display plus a Cyclops-style rear design, which may look similar to the Pixel 6, but this time the module is not in black glass. We have a dual-tone finish which looks cool. Both Pixel 7 series phones are listed as having a Tensor DQ chipset, 128GB or 256GB of storage and IP68 rating, face unlock and fingerprint unlock capabilities. The Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro also look set to share a 50-megapixel main rear camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide rear camera and 10.8-megapixel selfie camera with 4K video support. The Pixel 7 series is cinematic video mode, which is something similar to what Apple have done in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it is gonna focus on the subject and blur the background just like the name suggests. We are going to get a 5x optical zoom instead of 4x from the last year, and whopping 30x digital zoom instead of 20x last year on Pixel 6 Pro, and on Pixel 7 you guys will get a 8x high-resolution zoom. The Pixel 7 Pro reportedly earns its moniker by virtue of a 6.7-inch QHD plus OLED screen, LTPO 120Hz, 12 gigs of RAM, a 48-megapixel telephoto camera and autofocus for the ultra-wide camera. The camera bar on the upcoming Pixels will be aluminum and the lenses will be situated more prominently. By comparison, the standard Pixel 7 looks set to offer a 6.3-inch FHD plus OLED screen, 90Hz, 8 gigs of RAM, no telephoto camera and a fixed focus ultra-wide rear shooter. The big update is its new Tensor G2 chipset, which is more secured. As per claims, the new Titan MT security chipset is a multi-level security system to help keep your personal information safe, and Google is after improving the machine learning by 35%, and 20% GPU improvements, which will improve the camera a lot. Google Tensor chips are basically for AI things rather than raw CPU power, so the Tendon G2, which internally known as GS201, will have 2 ARM Cortex-Exon core just like last year's, 2 Cortex-A76 cores and 4 Cortex-A55 cores for the efficiency task like everyday normal scrolling and scrubbing stuff like that. The two phones are also tipped to arrive with both wired and wireless fast charging support. However, this field doesn't confirm charging speeds, and the Pixel 6 dimension is followed by 18 watt, while the Pixel 7 mentioned is followed by 21 watt and the Pixel 7 Pro mentioned is followed by 23 watt. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Peace out.